Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna making this beautiful earring. The products you need for these are in front of your screen. You can check in the description box also. I had given a link for the design card shop. You can purchase from there. So let's quickly get started. So first of all we'll need the needle and the thread and insert this ring connector and tie a knot like this. Now insert this big one red bead and then pink bead, and leaving the pink bead insert the needle through the red bead and give a knot just to get it fixed properly like this. Now again insert this needle through this red bead leaving the pink bead so it's fixed properly. Now cut the rest of the thread. Now we need to make this same piece for another earring. So again take a needle and the thread, insert this pink bead and tie a knot again like this to get it fixed. Then again a red bead and then this ring connector, just give a knot like this. Again insert this needle through this red bead leaving the pink bead to get it fixed properly, and one more time we'll do this through this pink bead, and now cut the remaining wire and we'll put some transparent glue here just to get it fixed properly. Now leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, let it dry up. Now take another ring connector and tie a knot with the help of thread. Now insert few pink beads. The number of beads will totally depend on the length you want for your earring, so make it accordingly. Now leave one bead from the upside and insert this needle through the rest of the beads like this and give a knot in the end just to make it get fixed properly. And now insert this needle onto this ring connector and give a knot, and then again insert few beads like this. Then again leave the top one and insert the needle through this beads, the rest of the beads, and again give a knot. Then do this procedure again. So these are our 3 layers. Now give a knot and fix it again like this. So the lower part of our earring is ready. Now cut the rest of the wire or thread. Now take that bead part which we had made earlier and open this ring connector from that part and insert the pink beads, 2 pink beads and 1 kundan in the middle, and close it with the help of pincer like this. Now take that lower part, open this ring connector from that and insert this kundan from the lower loop like this. So this is our earring ready. Now we need to put some transparent glue so that it will not open in the future. Now we need to stick the earring post also, so just put some transparent glue onto this red bead in the center point, and stick this earring post onto the middle of this red bead, and our earring is ready. I hope you like this video. If you want to buy these products, do check out the link in the description box below and get 10% off on your purchase using my code, that is sewing is 110. Also, do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.